Hi guys! So, for today's video, nagre-request kayo kung paano ko nakuha tong t-shirt na to na hindi na kailangan ng Robux. So, you can see, I have no Robux. Now, let's go. First, download Pinterest. I already have Pinterest, guys. And, go to Pinterest. And, search t-shirt Roblox and pick every you want, and you can see these three dots. Click it and download image and go to Roblox and go to more, go to create, just wait, go to creation, and go to avatar item, scroll down and go to classic and upload. See this, upload it and upload this and upload it again and pick a name and upload it. Just wait. And there, you have a free t-shirt. You want to see the real? Okay, here I can see you guys. This is not edit. This is real. There. It's cool, right? Bye! Go to my channel and practice, and don't forget, like and subscribe and link the bio. Bye!